Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you enable the hardware encoding graphics card in your Premiere Pro. So when I'm going to export my video, then it show me the performance panel that the hardware encoding or software encoding is disabled and it can't be enabled. So what you have to do, you have to go back, press Ctrl plus F12, so it will appear, and right there you have to select from this place debug, and after selecting this you have to write here HW. So when you are write it, so these options will appear. You have to select all these or enable all these options, and then you have to close this panel, and after this you have to close your Premiere Pro as well. And after this, restart or reopen your Premiere Pro. Once you opened your Premiere Pro, then press Ctrl M to export your video. So you can see that my performance hardware encoding is now enabled. So this is very simple way, and you can enable this very easily. If you get any information from this video, so you have to share this video with your friends so they can also be take advantage from this video. Thanks for watching.